Spreadshirt is an online platform that allows users to design and sell custom apparel, accessories, and other merchandise. It provides a marketplace for independent designers and businesses to create unique products and reach a global audience. By partnering with Spreadshirt, you can make money online by selling your designs or products on their platform. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to make money with Spreadshirt in 2024 for beginners. Sign up for a Spreadshirt account. Visit the Spreadshirt website, www.spreadshirt.com, and create an account by providing your email address, choosing a username, and setting a password. You'll also need to choose your country and preferred currency. Design your products. Once you're logged in, you can start designing your products. Spreadshirt offers a wide range of items, including t-shirts, hoodies, bags, phone cases, and more. Use their design tools to create unique and eye-catching designs that reflect your style or the theme of your business. You can upload your own images or use their library of pre-made designs and graphics. Set your prices and profit margins. Decide on the prices you want to sell your products for, keeping in mind the cost of production and any additional fees Spreadshirt charges. Your profit margin will be the difference between the price you set and the cost of production. Open your Spreadshirt store. Create your online store by customizing the design, adding your products, and writing descriptions. You can also choose a store name and URL that reflects your brand or niche. Promote your store. To attract customers and make sales, you'll need to promote your store and products. Use social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to share your designs and engage with potential customers. You can also collaborate with influencers, run ads, or participate in Spreadshirt's affiliate program to drive traffic to your store. Process orders and fulfill customer requests. When someone places an order, you'll receive a notification. You can then log into your Spreadshirt account to review the order and ensure everything is correct. Spreadshirt will handle the production and shipping of your products, making the process easy and convenient for you. Monitor your sales and make adjustments. Regularly check your store's performance by reviewing sales data and customer feedback. Use this information to refine your product offerings, pricing, and marketing strategies. Continuously updating your store with new designs and promotions can help you stay competitive and attract more customers. Expand your business. As your Spreadshirt business grows, consider expanding your product offerings, collaborating with other designers or businesses, and exploring additional marketing channels. This will help you reach a wider audience and increase your chances of success. Remember that making money with Spreadshirt takes time, effort, and creativity. By consistently designing unique products, promoting your store, and providing excellent customer service, you can build a successful online business and make money through Spreadshirt in 2024.